welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can make your audio ID public in Roblox. It's pretty straightforward and simple, so just follow along with these instructions. So first of all, you want to go to create.roblox.com, and if you get to this landing page where it says start creating and it prompts you to download the Roblox Studio, all you need to do here is click on dashboard. You can click on dashboard or right click on dashboard and then open link in new tab so that we can do everything through the web browser. Then it will take you to this page right here, and it says creations. You'll be on the creations tab, which is what we want. Then you want to go here to the right hand side of all these options, and then you want to click on development items. Okay, you'll see models and packages, plugins, audio, and that's the one we want to click on. So click onto audio. And right now I don't have any audio right now, so I'll just click on upload asset. I'll just give this a name and I'll give it a quick description, and the file size that they accept is MP3, OGG, FLAC, and WAV. So I'll just click on the upload button and I'll get the file, and it's an audio file. You just scroll all the way to the bottom and then you click on to upload. Okay, this shouldn't take a long time because it's just a small file, and right here you can see the file has been uploaded. Now what you can see, if you go to the three dots, what you can do is open asset details or copy asset ID. But what we actually want to do is go to your profile icon at the top right hand corner, and then you want to click on to settings, and then you want to click on eligibility, and then you want to click on audio distribution right here. So you'll need to verify your ID. So the way that you would do that is you would simply click on verify. That will load up the Roblox settings where you can verify your account. So you will need to continue with your ID. So I won't do that right now, but it's a very straightforward, simple process. If you have a driver's license or a passport, you can just take a photo of it with your webcam. And then once you are verified there, you can go back to eligibility, and then you just need to accept all these terms right here, and then click on submit. But the only way that you can submit it is if you first verify your ID. Then once you've done all that, you can go to creations, you can go to development items, you can go to audio, and you can click on your audio, and where it says distribution, you can then, for me it will be blocked because I haven't done the ID verification. But once you've done all that, you can toggle this on where it will distribute on the creator store. So that's the process step by step. Follow that and your asset ID will be public for your audio. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.